In this module, we'll take 2 weeks to examine 2 negligence concepts related to the single purpose of compensating the plaintiff: remoteness of damage and remedies, i.e. awards compensation for damages. The rules relating to remedies and remoteness determine the financial outcome of the claim. The purpose of this module is to give an overview of some of the more important issues. In this module, we look at the purpose of remedies and see the different types of remedies available to a plaintiff. We'll focus on personal injury cases and assume that all the other elements are proven and the defendant is liable for the plaintiff's losses. Aggravated and punitive damages are sometimes awarded in negligence cases, whether involving personal injury or property loss, though they are especially rare in negligence claims and are more common, though still exceptional, in claims for intentional torts. Regardless of the nature of the claim, the plaintiff needs to prove certain elements for each. If a plaintiff proves these elements, the court will award additional damages above the typical heads of damages. We'll analyze how courts assess those losses. The remoteness issue concerns the limits to be imposed on the extent of a defendant's liability. Should the defendant be liable for every possible loss that befalls a plaintiff, despite how unlikely it was? The law does not require this. There has to be a balance between the defendant's careless fault and the extent of damage that results. The issue at this stage of the negligence action is to determine whether the plaintiff's injuries are considered, quote-unquote, too remote to be recoverable. Or, put another way, was the defendant's negligent conduct the proximate cause of the plaintiff's loss? Well, we will cover the remoteness issue first and remedies in the second week.